Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your YouTube channel to your TikTok. If you're on your TikTok and you want to add your YouTube channel to your TikTok, just go to your TikTok profile and click on edit profile. That's if you're in the business TikTok. Then under the edit profile, you see under your social, you see YouTube. You click on add YouTube to your profile. You'll be meant to log in to your Gmail account. If you're yet to log in, I'm already logged in. So this way I will select my my YouTube channel from this way. This way my YouTube channel have been added to my TikTok account. So let's go to my TikTok profile to see. This is the YouTube channel showing there. If I want to go to my YouTube, for example, I'll click on the YouTube and it will direct me to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm currently in my YouTube channel. So that is it on how to add your YouTube channel link to TikTok. If this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.